driving down the street and I saw this lady. And sometimes I see her on social media and she wouldn't let me go. She wouldn't let me go without giving her something. So I said, okay, no problem. Since you're so determined, I would try to make something happen. Passing by the British consulate, the prince is visiting Jamaica today. There's a Rasta protest to our right. But yeah, they're visiting Jamaica, prince and princess. I think it's Harry, if I'm not mistaken, that's visiting today. Saw one of the street vendors and I picked up some apples, Julie mango, and Neesberry. I need some fruits in my diet, so I picked those up on my way. Yeah, I love the hustle that the people of Jamaica have.